Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve a removed friend. For example, you remove a friend on Discord by accident. I'm going to teach you two ways to add them back, okay? So first things first, I want you to install this application. That means Better Discord application. With this one, it's actually an extension and upgrade for the current Discord you have. It's not technically an application. So once installed, it will go through your computer right there. It's an exe file. Just install it. And then, that being said, let's open Discord. This should be my Discord, right? Let me just maximize it. Now, the first step is going to be locating a friend. For example, I'm going to remove this guy right here that says my check. Let's just say I want to remove this guy, Cesarella. Okay? I can just simply remove friend right. That easy as that. Now, that being said, this guy right now isn't my friend anymore because it has an add friend. Now, for example, let's just say easy as that, I can add it back. Now, in some cases, for example, you don't have your conversation anymore. For example, I'm going to remove this one, okay? Now, I cannot add him back on this conversation list. Now, the first step I want you to do is search for mutual servers you have. Now, on this server, we have this. From the guy I removed earlier, this is our server. I'm just going to look the members right here. I'm going to locate that. There you go, just found him. So I can just add him by clicking add friend right there, and I'm good to go. Second option is going to be going back to my direct messages and just simply typing Cesarella, clicking that. As you can see, I have no friend of Cesarella. I can just copy this one or just cut it and click on add friend. Paste it right there, send friend request, and I'm good to go. So as you can see right now, you're already friends with that user because I just added earlier. Now, for example, I'm not friend with him. I can just send a friend request right here, okay? Those are the two ways you can recover a friend if you accidentally remove it from Discord. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.